Welcome to Stoic Daily Stoicism. Today I'm going to share something that most men never learn in their entire lifetime. Let's cut straight to the truth. Women don't chase men who beg for their attention. They chase the men who don't. Care whether they're chased at all now? I know that might sound insane at first. After all, society has been screaming at you for decades. Be kind. Be soft. Buy her flowers. Pour out your feelings. Tell her how much she means to you. But here's the reality check. That only works if she already wants you. If she doesn't, feel attraction from the start. That nice guy strategy doesn't make her love you. It friend zones you so fast your head spins. But here's where it gets interesting. Disinterest isn't always permanent. Most women aren't fully decided in the beginning. They're not certain about who you are, what you represent, or whether you're worth their emotional investment. And that uncertainty, that's your opportunity. Because it's not about what. You say it's about how you behave. And here's the truth most men never hear. Women are biologically wired to chase power, mystery, and quiet dominance. Not the loud, insecure type of dominance that looks like flexing or bragging. I'm talking about the silent confidence that radiates. I don't need you, but you'd be lucky to have me. This video isn't about tricks. It isn't about manipulation. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about understanding the psychological truth of female nature and stepping into the role of the man she cannot ignore. If you're tired of chasing, tired of ghosting, tired of being the backup plan or just a friend, then stay with me. I'm going to hand you 10 psychological secrets that flip the game upside down. And yes, even if she's cold, distant, or has already said she's not interested, there's still a way back in, but only if you play it right. Let's begin. 1. Ignore her beauty. Watch her panic. Most men lose the game before it even begins. A beautiful woman walks into the room and instantly their body language shifts. They sit straighter. They oversmile, they get nervous, and within seconds, they've put her on a pedestal. Here's the harsh truth. Beauty is her currency, and most men are bankrupt from overspending. Every man in her life has already worshipped it. They've showered her with compliments, stared too long, sent thirsty bivs, or bought her dinner hoping for her attention. So when you do the same, you're nothing special. You've become just another fan in her crowd. But when you ignore her beauty, that's when her system short circuits. She expects attention. She expects validation. She expects you to treat her like a goddess. And when you don't, it forces her to ask, wait, why isn't he acting like all the others? Why isn't he impressed? And here's where the psychology kicks in. Attention is power. When you withhold it calmly, confidently, without being rude, you flip the dynamic. You stop being the background noise and start being the challenge. A woman cannot chase a man she already controls, but the one she can't quite figure out. The one she can't easily manipulate with her looks. That's the one she keeps thinking about. Example, you're at a social event. A gorgeous woman joins your group. Every other man leans in, flatters her, competes for her attention. But you ask her about her recent travels. You talk about the book she mentioned. You engage like a normal, grounded man. Not once do you compliment her looks. Not once do you act impressed. At first, she's confused. But slowly, she starts shifting toward you. She leans in. She asks you questions. She tries harder. She's no longer in control. You are, and that's the power of ignoring beauty. It's not disrespect, it's indifference. And that indifference makes you magnetic, too. Make her earn your attention here. That's a truth that most men never want to accept. You're giving her way too much, way too soon. You text first. You like every Instagram story. You laugh at every joke. You respond instantly. You give her your time, your energy, your focus, like they're free. But ask yourself this, what has she done to earn any of it? Women don't value what comes easy. They value what they have to work for. Think of it like this. When a man gives his attention without making her earn it, he's basically saying, my time and energy aren't valuable. And when you communicate that subconsciously, why? Would she respect you? This is where most men fail. They confuse effort with value. They think if I keep showing her how much I care, she'll eventually like me. Wrong. That only works when attraction already exists. When it doesn't, your efforts just make you predictable, boring, and easy to ignore. The solution: flip the script. Instead of asking, how do I get her attention? Ask, has she earned mine? If the answer is no, you pull back. Not as punishment, not as a game, but because your energy is precious and not everyone deserves it. Example: you meet a woman at a party, great conversation, you exchange numbers. She expects you to text her that night, but you don't. You wait. The next day, when you do send a message, it's short, confident, and not needy. You keep the tone light. You don't blow up her phone. Slowly, she notices the difference. She starts texting first. She begins complimenting you. She asks for your time instead of you begging for hers. Why? Because now she's investing. And what people invest in, they value. Men who make women earn. Their attention are rare. And rarity is magnetic.